Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 5. And as you know that we are learning unit number 9 and its title is Son of Motherland. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 8, we will learn about bar graph and a pie chart. So before in English for grade 3, my dear students, already you have learned about a pie chart, that what is a pie chart and how we can divide different data we can represent through pie chart. So I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again, and today we are going to learn further about it. Our today SLO is read to compare information given in a pie chart and a bar graph. So my dear students, this beautiful verse is for you from Surah Al-Anfal. Verse number 2, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions the true believers are only those whose hearts tremble at the remembrance of Allah, whose faith increases when His revelations are recited to them, and who put their trust in their Lord. So this beautiful verse is telling us that who is the best in front of Almighty Allah. So such people are so blessed people in front of Almighty Allah, who are true believers, whose hearts trembles through like at the remembrance of Allah, whose faith increases when the revelations of Almighty Allah, means Al-Quran is being recited in front of them, so their faith are being increased. Okay, so this beautiful verse is telling us how our faith is being increased in front of Allah. Okay, so let's see that. See there, my dear students, do you see there is a picture for you? Can you judge that? So yes, my dear teacher, pause the video and get this picture from your students and get information what they have knowledge about this picture. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope now you have got that what is this. So let's see what is this. Pie chart is a special chart that uses pie slices to show relative sizes of data. It is a circular chart that is used to represent data. It is also known as a pie chart or a circle chart. Yes, that chart you have seen already. This is called a pie chart. See there. This is a circular chart, my dear students. This is in the shape of circle and it represents data in the shape of pie slices. So these are called slices. You can see that, okay, different slices, and we put data on these slices. So such type of pictorial representation is called pie chart. Got it? So let's see how we can represent. And what is a bar graph? A bar graph can be defined as a chart or a graphical representation of data, quantities or numbers using bars or strips. Bar graphs are used to compare and contrast number of data. So here is another way to compare data, my dear students. One is pie chart and one is bar graph. Okay, how? What is bar graph? You can see there. Yes, in the shape of bars and strips, we can show data. Are you watching that, my dear students? Yes, there are different bars, and this is another way to represent a data in a bar graph. How we can represent? Let's see. On a pie chart, how we represent? A pie chart always shows data in percentage. A percentage is a rate or amount in each 100. It is represented by the symbol of percentage. Have you got that? In pie chart, my dear students and my dear teachers, always we get data in the shape of percentage. So what is percentage? And I hope that you have already learned in your math subject. So what is percentage? Percentage is something out of 100. Okay, so how you can say you are you watching this? Like baseball 22, bowling 19, basketball 18, football 17 and tennis 24. This is the game pie chart. Okay, these all are games. So let's see how we can show these games in a percentage. So let's see. So baseball is 22%. You can see there. Yes, next one. Tennis 24%. Football 17%. Basketball 18%. And Bowling is 19%. So my dear students, already I have said that what is percentage? Percentage is something out of 100. So if you will all collect all these, so it will be equal to 100. It means 22 out of 100, 24 out of 100, 17 out of 100, 18 out of 100 and 19 out of 100. Have you got that? Keep remember, always we show data on a pie chart in the shape of percentage. Okay, have you got? Good. Let's see how we can show percentage, how we can show our data on a bar graph. Same data we have in a baseball, we can say in a horizontal way and vertical way. Okay, so see there, we can say baseball was 22% there, and table tennis, I think there is 28% or 24%, football, basketball, bowling. You can say that these colors are representing, like you can see, green is for baseball, tennis is for blue color, football in purple, like basketball in yellow and in mustard color. Have you got that? In this way we can show, yeah, there is like representation of data into quantity. In this way we can compare. So let's see in both. See there, my dear students. So you can find same thing. This is the comparison. In a pie chart, we compare data in the shape of slices, and in a bar graph, we compare data in the shape of bars and strips. Have you got that? This is the way to put data in a pie chart and in a bar graph. Okay. So let's see now. See there. There is question number 12. You can read the given information in the following bar graph. So you can read, my dear students. Look there, and how many students are in Jan, Feb, March, April, all months are there. So are you watching that on your page number 76, my dear students? Yes, this is number of students and month. Have you got that? And now how we can say birthday of students by months. That look, you can see that in March, one student birthday. Okay, in August, mid of the August. Is it clear? Yes. Let's move toward an activity. Yes, my dear teacher, you have to make group in class and say to students to conduct a survey in their class about the favorite season of their classmates. Ask them to write the collective data in the form of a bar graph. Yes, there is a beautiful and amazing activity for you, my dear students. You have, my dear teacher, first you have to get into groups and say them to get survey of their class, and they will get there about favorite season, and then they will put information in the shape of bar graph. Okay, so pause the video and perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students, and I hope you have done it and you have enjoyed a lot this activity. So what's your homework for today? Make a pie chart and write a sample of daily routine pie chart in your notebook. Okay, you have to make a pie chart and you have to show samples. Okay, so in this way there is for you that I have given you an example that how you can represent that data on a pie chart, like study, playtime, daily routine, prayer, eat, sleep, in this way. Have you got? Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about pie chart and a bar graph. We got that how data can be compared on a bar graph and a pie chart, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO, my dear students. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.